hanging in the closet, my promise made in white. I've tried it on 1,000 times just to see how it would feel. I dreamed of walking towards forever, down the aisle to stand with you. You said love was made for moments, but I planned a whole life long. Now I'm left holding a dress I may never get the chance to wear, and every stitch reminds me of the girl I used to be. This is the dress I never wore, all the vows, all the dreams hanging by a thread, every satellite hope I saved for a love that wouldn't last. You walked out and closed the door, left me holding a fading dream. Now I'm learning who I am without the dress I never wore. I pictured names we'd give our children, holidays and quiet nights. I built a world around your presence, never saw the warning signs. Now the fabric feels brittle, like it's showing the truth that I love the life I dreamed of more than I ever loved you. And the mirror shows a woman who survived what she never saw coming. This is the dress I never wore, all the vows, all the dreams hanging by a thread, every satellite hope I saved for a love that wouldn't last. You walked out and closed the door, left me holding a fading dream. Now I'm learning who I am without the dress I never wore. One day I'll take it from the hanger, lay it gently on the bed, say goodbye to all the futures I don't need anymore. I'll keep the strength it gave me, but let the rest fall away. This is the dress I never wore, all the vows, all the dreams hanging by a thread, every satellite hope I saved for a love that wouldn't last. You walked out and closed the door, left me holding a fading dream. Now I'm learning who I am without the dress I